In early 2026, Amazon's shelves are bursting with fresh innovations from CES reveals and hidden new listings mind-bending tech that blends ambient AI, ultra-portable creativity, and everyday wizardry. These five standout gadgets feel like glimpses of the future, rarely spotted yet already earning buzz for their never-seen-before ingenuity and practical magic. From art-disguised screens to 360-degree flying eyes, here's the countdown of the coolest newcomers shaking up the platform right now. Number 5. Amazon Ember Artline, Digital Art TV. The Amazon Ember Artline redefines hidden in plain sight as a sleek lifestyle TV that masquerades as framed wall art when not in use. Launching fresh in 2026 with over 2,000 preloaded artworks, plus custom uploads for a gallery-like aesthetic that blends seamlessly into modern homes. This ultra-thin, matte screen marvel available in multiple interchangeable frames transforms from ambient digital canvas displaying serene landscapes or personal photos to a full Fire TV powerhouse with Alexa integration, supporting AirPlay, HomeKit, and crisp 4K streaming for entertainment without the black rectangle eyesore. Priced competitively around mid-range smart TVs yet feeling premium, its low-glare display ensures eye-friendly viewing even in bright rooms, while energy-efficient standby mode keeps art cycling subtly to mimic real paintings. Early adopters rave about its conversation-starting presence perfect for living rooms, offices, or minimalist spaces, where it elevates decor without dominating it. A true, never-seen-before fusion of home tech and interior design that makes traditional TVs feel dated overnight. Whether showcasing seasonal vibes or family memories, the Ember Artline quietly revolutionizes how screens live in our environments, proving Amazon's push into ambient innovation delivers elegance and utility in one groundbreaking package. Number 4. Anti-Gravity A1 Drone, 360-degree FPV Drone. The Anti-Gravity A1 bursts onto Amazon as the world's first consumer drone, transmitting true 360-degree first-person video in real time, a 2026 CES standout that lets pilots experience immersive, wrap-around aerial views like never before for breathtaking cinematic captures or exploratory adventures. Compact yet powerful, this foldable quadcopter features advanced stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and high-res 4K cameras arrayed for seamless spherical feed to your goggles or app, eliminating blind spots and delivering panoramic freedom that standard FPV drones can't match. Intuitive controls, long battery life, and lightweight design make it accessible for hobbyists, while pros praise the buttery smooth footage for content creation, inspections, or thrill-seeking flights through tight spaces. Affordable entry into next-gen drone tech, it sidesteps bulky rigs for pocketable portability, with safety features like auto-return and geofencing ensuring confident operation. This never-seen-before spherical perspective turns ordinary skies into immersive worlds, making the A1 a game-changer for creators and explorers craving unparalleled vantage points right from Amazon's fresh arrivals. Number 3. Artonic Cometer Earbuds, MagSafe Piggyback Case. The Artonic Cometer earbuds launch as 2026's most ingenious true wireless breakthrough, a charging case that magnetically snaps onto your iPhone's MagSafe back like an invisible power extender, delivering seamless juice to both the buds and your phone without cables, docks, or extra bulk ever seen in mainstream earbuds. These premium-sounding buds pack active noise cancellation, crystal-clear transparency mode, rich balanced audio with deep bass and airy highs, and a secure ergonomic fit for hours of uninterrupted wear, while the ultra-slim piggyback case doubles as a portable battery bank that syncs battery status directly to your iPhone screen via smart LEDs. Perfect for travelers, commuters, gym rats, or anyone frustrated by separate chargers, it eliminates the dead buds on the go problem with elegant simplicity. Snap on, charge, snap off. Early Amazon reviewers call it a game-changing life hack for its flawless integration and discreet profile that feels futuristic yet instantly practical. This never-before-seen MagSafe marriage of audio and power turns your phone into a true all-in-one hub, making the Cometer the sleeper hit of 2026's wearable innovation wave. Number 2. Ring Smart Sensors, Sidewalk-Powered Easy Setup. Ring's 2026 Smart Sensor series redefines home awareness with the simplest, most ambient security setup imaginable. Tiny, battery-powered detectors you simply place anywhere, doors, windows, garages, basements, undersinks, and they connect instantly via Amazon Sidewalk's low-power mesh network. No hub, no Wi-Fi passwords, no drilling, no complicated pairing ever required before at this scale. Motion, open, close, water leak, temperature, and environmental sensors trigger real-time Alexa notifications, automate lights or cameras, and extend reliable coverage across large properties or dead signal zones where traditional Wi-Fi sensors fail. Long-lasting batteries, weatherproof builds, and ultra-low power draw via Sidewalk make them truly set-it-and-forget-it devices, turning passive spaces into intelligently watchful ones without visible wires or obtrusive hardware. Affordable multi-packs bring whole home protection within reach, earning rave feedback for installation in under 30 seconds and peace-of-mind reliability. This groundbreaking ambient intelligence leap makes smart security feel invisible until it saves the day. Truly a never-seen-before evolution that hides sophistication in utter simplicity. Number 1. Ninja Crispi Pro Portable Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispi Pro reigns as 2026's undisputed coolest kitchen revolution. A compact, multifunction air fryer that cooks in transparent, non-toxic glass bowls. You can take straight from countertop to fridge or freezer without ever transferring food. A seamless cook-store-serve workflow no traditional air fryer has ever achieved. 3 versatile glass sizes. 2.5 QT, 4 QT, 6 QT handle everything from single snacks to family meals with air fry, crisp, roast, bake, reheat, proof, and dehydrate modes, delivering golden oil-free results faster than ovens, while the PFA PTFE free glass preserves flavor purity and allows you to watch food transform in real time. One-touch digital controls, powerful crisp technology, dishwasher-safe components, and a small footprint make it ideal for apartments, dorms, or busy households craving healthy, mess-free cooking. Vibrant color options add countertop flair, and users are already obsessed with the zero cleanup hack of glass as storage. This never-before-seen portable glass system combines speed, health, and convenience in one appliance, crowning the Crispi Pro the king of Amazon's freshest, most transformative gadgets, where futuristic thinking meets everyday brilliance in every crispy, effortless bite.